ek, vellies kan mos lekker draai. Hou my dop en check die Bosveld dans. Hier sien 1, 2, 3 en dan 'n draai ons gaan dalk eens 4 uur waai aan diese Bosveld dans. En sy sê skip daai bar, laat die hippe swaai lawaai, vergeet van môre diese Bosveld dans. En sy sê skip daai bar, laat die hippe swaai lawaai, vergeet die koue diese Bosveld dans. Begin braai, maar wie gaan dan die haan oor kraai aan diese Bosveld dans? Voor die son opkom, sit die ligte af aan die horison, sal dit verskaf, ja, diese Bosveld dans. En sy sê skip daai bar, laat die hippe swaai lawaai, vergeet van môre diese Bosveld dans. En sy sê skip daai bar, laat die hippe swaai lawaai, vergeet die koue diese Bosveld dans. En sy sê skip daai bar, Dallas Cowboys. Jy sê die balle maak jou moeg. Jou eerste liefde is country, hunting, banding. Jy kry net nie genoeg. Nee, jou favorite TV show is Nashville. Ek vang nog op met Yellowstone. Wil nie geken word as show me, buddy, belly. Jou my uit die friendzone. Want daar's net een probleem, ek het te veel ontleer. Vir jou gee waarvan jy hou. Om net jou diepe te wees, niks meer wat ek begeer nie. Maar ek is nie die jou. Met die cowboy boots op soos skip, maar gebou nie. Of 'n tent om bakke langs my handgeweer. 'n honky-tonk kan die bos nog nooit my geer. Maar vir jou sal ek country probeer. Sal ek country probeer. Sal ek country probeer. Jy het 'n gesig, jy het 'n magazine. Jou agterlyfie maak my kyk. My eerste liefde is rugby, kampvuur, gatskier, line dans is nie vir my. Nee, jy drink jy koffie, glad nie thee nie. Besit 'n Bass-Pro hoed. Hou van mechanical boerry, uitbly skelmvry, ek die country in my bloed. Nee, want daar's net een probleem, ek het te veel ontleer. Vir jou gee waarvan jy hou. Om net jou diepe te wees, niks meer wat ek begeer nie. Maar ek is nie die jou. Met die cowboy boots op soos skip, maar gebou nie. Of 'n tent om bakke langs my handgeweer. 'n honky-tonk kan die bos nog nooit my geer. Maar vir jou sal ek country probeer. Vir jou sal ek country probeer. Op so'n skip maar gebou nie of 'n tent om bakken langs my handgeweer. 'n honkie tonk kan nie was nog nooit my geer, maar vir jou sal ek country probeer. Vir jou sal ek country probeer. Sal ek country probeer. Yeehaw. Sy dra Ray-Bans en two-tone fans. Sy smoor as die son sak op 'n Saterdag aand. Sy glinster soos die maan, sy is soms skaam, maar ek wil verdwyn tussen die sterre wat so skyn om jou verdwyn. Kyk na my, vergeet die pyn, skyn om jou verdwyn. Kyk na my, vergeet die pyn. Ek sien haar op die straat, wyn drink en lag, op 'n Dinsdag aand in Stellenbosch. Sy die pracht van die Boland in haar lag, maar wag. Sy dra Ray-Bans en two-tone fans. Sy smoor as die son sak op 'n Saterdag aand. Sy glinster soos die maan, sy is soms skaam, maar ek wil verdwyn tussen die sterre wat so skyn om jou verdwyn. Kyk na my, vergeet die pyn, skyn om jou verdwyn. Kyk na my, vergeet die pyn. Na die Weskus golwe staar. Jou branders breek hier in my kop, op die rotse waar ek weer met God oor jou praat. Ek praat, maar niemand luister nie. Ek skree, maar niemand hoor my nie. Ek praat, maar niemand luister nie. Ek skree, Inge, ek skree vir jou. Sy dra Ray-Bans en two-tone fans. Sy smoor as die son sak op 'n Saterdag aand. Sy glinster soos die maan, sy is soms skaam, maar ek wil verdwyn.
Nice. Action. All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Out of a rainy, miserly Gauteng, we'd like to officially open the auction of our Two Rivers Country Estate property in Ramsig. I just want to quickly run through the terms and conditions of the auction before we open up the sale and the bids. First of all, the contract of England Volkers is available at the auction. We've got a number of online bidders registered today. So please look out once the hammer has fallen. The highest bidder, if online, you'll receive via email the contract and offer to purchase that you'll need to sign and get back to us along with your deposit by the end of business. So please just look out for that if you are the successful bidder. Just for those that are online, I'm going to just run through the key points of the property. It's a standard property transaction, fairly standard contract. I just want to highlight the most important things. So first of all, you need to be registered to participate in the auction, whether online or live. The auction is an auction with reserve. So in other words, there'll be a acceptance period of 14 days at the fall of the hammer, after the fall of the hammer. So it's an auction with reserve. I, as the auctioneer, reserve the right to bid up to the reserve price on behalf of the seller, but will not make a bid equal to or exceeding the reserve price. Each bid made on the auction constitutes an offer to purchase the property for the bid amount. So even if you are the underbidder, remember that it's an official offer to purchase. So should the highest bidder perhaps for any reason not be able to fulfill his obligations, you as the second or underbidder will then have the opportunity to stand in and fulfill your offer on the day. As I mentioned, the acceptance period after the auction is 14 days. It does not need to take 14 days. If the seller is satisfied and accepts the bid immediately after the auction, then that is that. So if you are wishing to make an offer after the auction, please don't wait until day 14 because you might be disappointed. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, please remember the right of refusal stays with the highest bidder on the day. So even if we are below reserve and an offer comes in after the auction, the highest bidder on the auction has the first right of refusal. He simply has to match the offer and the property sale right will stay with him. Guarantees, ladies and gentlemen, will need to be supplied within 30 days after the acceptance period. So once your property is accepted, you've got 30 days to raise your funding and give guarantees. We understand if it takes a day or two longer, that won't be the end of the world, but we just don't want people to delay getting their applications in. So we have a set 30-day period. A deposit of 10% is payable on the day of the auction after the fall of the hammer, and upon receipt that you are the successful buyer, a deposit of 10% is payable. Ladies and gentlemen, I think that's then the basics of the property. Note that this is a private auction. It's not a distressed sale. So in other words, you get a clean slate when you buy the property. There'll be no levies or rates and taxes for the buyer's account. The sellers will offer you a property that is clear of any duties, rates, levies, anything like that. The property we're selling, ladies and gentlemen, is a beautiful low maintenance property in the Two Rivers Estate in Ruimsig. You've got river frontage right down at the bottom of your garden. The garden's low maintenance, the property's low maintenance. It's fully solar system that's included in the property sale, ladies and gentlemen. Rates and taxes, utilities on this property are 3,382 Rand. Levies are 3,500 Rand for the Two Rivers Estate. The property measures 826 square meters, and I think a wonderful opportunity for somebody looking for a beautiful family home. Right, ladies and gentlemen, as you saw on the advert, the bids are starting from 1.6, and we do have an online bid at 1.6. Right, ladies and gentlemen, the auction's open. 1.6, I'm bid online and I got 1.6 million. At 1,600,000, I'm bid number 1.7 now. At 1,700,000, I'm bid number 1.8. 1.8 online. At 1.8 online, now we go 1.9 on the floor. At 1,900,000. 2 million online. At 2 million, I'm bid, I got 2. At 2 million, ladies and gentlemen, at 2 million. At 2 million, I got 2 million. It's with Meerkat online, ladies and gentlemen. At 2 million, the bid here. At 2 million, ladies and gentlemen, I got 2 at 2 million. At 2 million, the bid, do I see 2.1? At 2 million's the bid, ladies and gentlemen, I got now, but I got 2 million here. At 2 million, ladies and gentlemen, I got 2 at 2 million, 2 million. It's all on Meerkat at the moment. At 2 million, 2 million, I'm bid. At 2 million, ladies and gentlemen, are we all out and done here? At 2 million, the bids, ladies and gentlemen, I got 2 at 2 million now. At 2 million Rand, I'm bid. Are we all out and done, ladies and gentlemen? At 2 million, we're going to go here. At 2 million, ladies and gentlemen, are we all out and done? Are we sure? Once at 2 million. At 2 million's the bid, ladies and gentlemen, are we all out and done? Online twice at 2 million. Third and last time at 2 million, ladies and gentlemen, no advance. So we knock it down then, ladies and gentlemen, at 2 million. The sale is online with Meerkat. Can you tell me who our bidder is there? bidder number 4, is that Thuli? All right. So our bid is the highest bidder is with Thuli, bidder number 4. Congratulations to you. So just to note, we are at this stage below reserve, and it's a subject to approval within 14 days. So Thuli, we're going to make contact with you. We will discuss with the sellers. We'll arrange the deposit arrangements that need to be made, and then we will obviously then negotiate with you as well to see, as we are slightly under reserve, we'll negotiate with the sellers now and then come back to you, and then we'll take it from there. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for those of you that came in online to view the auction. As I mentioned, you've got 14 days in which to put any higher offers in. The right will be with bidder number 4, the right of refusal will remain with her, and then that concludes the auctions. Today, Thuli will be in contact with you shortly. Thank you.